guys, what's up? I'm back, and today I just came from my sleepover. So we got a lot of things, a lot of stuff, right? And today I'm gonna be outside. I'm gonna be going outside, okay? I'll be outside. Hey guys, I'm back, and now I'm going outside, and I'm outside. As you can see the view. So yeah, that is the view. Yeah. And whoa, guys, look. You guys see the birdie over there? I'll show you the birdie's like on the nest. Right there. Guys, you can't see it, but I'm so sorry. So sorry that you can't see, but this video is gonna be about my outside door. So let's get started. So here is the floor you walk on, which everybody usually has. Our car, one's right there. One car's right there. And one car is right there. And one car is right there. Yeah, those are our cars. These are pipes that we usually put water to wash the car. And this is my scooter that I drive, so let's drive it right now. I'll show you how I drive it. Okay, I'm back. Now there's my scooter. Let's drive. Woo! Woo! Let me hold the camera. Oops. It's hard. I want to make it fall. Woo! I'm driving! So, here I am. Driving my electric scooter. That was fun. Driving. As you can see, I'm driving right now. Okay, guys. I'll show you my Hot Wheels car. I'll be back. I am back. Let's show you my Hot Wheels car. Ready? Steady, go. See, we're doing a Hot Wheel. Look at this baby over here. I'll show you. Wait a second. Let me go my camera down. There is my Hot Wheel car. Hot Wheel car. Let's ride it. Okay, time to sit on it and let's start riding it. Okay, I'll show you the view. Oopsies. Ready? Steady, go. I'm riding it. And the noise is pretty loud. It is pretty loud. That is my neighbor's house. Over there. Flipping. And these are the buttons which you need to use, so I'll tell you how it works. So when you press this red button, this will become off, and when you press it up, this green button is when I'm doing speed, and this red button is when it turns on. Look, so it will start working. So boom, see, it works. And then if I turn this off, it doesn't work. Okay, and I think which works is using this right there. right? I can't show you. You see this one over here? This. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash out the like button. Bye. Wait. Oh. Bye.